Do you know what will happen if all the bees disappear? Bees are one of the busiest and most hard-working insects in the animal kingdom. Bees are the makers of honey, beeswax, propolis, and royal jelly. The food we eat is made by the plants pollinated by the bees. But nowadays, there has been a steep decline in bee population by the excessive use of pesticides. Many species such as bumblebees, Hawaiian yellow-faced bees, and even honeybees are bound to be in the danger. This is very bad for the world because bees are the only producers of honey. And honey acts like a natural sweetener and has a lot of health benefits. So if bees go extinct, the first thing out of the market will be honey. This will force people to buy artificial sweeteners that can be very bad for the human body because they can lead to diseases. And the most disease that will be caused will be diabetes. The next thing to disappear will be the candles because beeswax is made by bees, and if bees disappear, beeswax will disappear, and beeswax is a very important thing in candles. So then candles will disappear. So say bye-bye to lighting a dinner with a candle or lighting a house with a candle when there's a blackout. Many industries will close down, leaving many jobless, especially bee farmers. Also, did you know that the dollar value by plants pollinated by bees is around $265 billion? But the most dangerous thing is that there will be an ecological imbalance because bees play a very, very, very important role on holding the food chain together. So if bees die, other animals that ate bees, such as frogs and lizards, will also die. Then other animals, reptiles, such as snakes, who ate frogs and lizards will die because there are no more of those, and that will happen. So all the animals in the food chain will go extinct, including us. Also, bees are the best pollinators among all insects. But first, we need to understand what pollination means and what it is. Pollination is when an insect that eats nectar goes onto a flower and carries tiny pieces of the flower called pollen. Then when it goes to another flower, those pieces fall off onto that flower, and some of them fall on the flower's reproductive place. So then that causes things to happen that make a new baby plant or a new baby fruit, which starts the process all again. That's pollination. Just carrying pollen to another flower, which makes it so that there are more babies of flowers or fruits. And also, at least one of the 3 meals that we eat is made possible by pollination of the bees. So if bees go extinct, then we will have a shortage of fruits and vegetables. So kids, it's time to take care of our little friends, the bees, because our future depends on them. Bye! See you in my next video. Woohoo!